Let's talk about the recently launched Motorola smartphone Moto G84 5G. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with POLED display, with 6.5 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 87.2% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 402 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, 1300 nits peak brightness, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel OIS wide-angle camera, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle macro vision camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30, 60 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system. Screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cryo 660 Gold plus 1.7 GHz hexa-core Cryo 660 Silver. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB shared micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160 by 74.4 by 7.6 mm, and it weighs around 166.8 grams. The color options: marshmallow blue, midnight blue, viva magenta colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 30-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5 headphone jack, with stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos, USB Type-C charging port. IP54 water repellent design for water protection, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Moto G84 5G has been priced in Pakistan for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 74,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $275 and 24,990 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Motorola Moto G84 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.